Hi, today we're going to be reacting to the funniest Pink Panther shows. So what do we have here? A nice old castle. Who's that? A jester? Ooh, he looks pretty proud. That's a little bit embarrassing. Wow, what a big pumpkin. A medal? First, a trophy? An even bigger trophy! Oh no. He drops down into the pumpkin. Oh, he was just dreaming. Ooh. Ooh. It was the Pink Panther that gave him that. Oh no, he looks mad. He does not want another person to steal his idea and his pumpkin. Ooh. Wow. That looks a little messy. But look at him. Whoa! That looks really delicate and really impressive. Look how angry it is. And he's embarrassed now. Oh, the pumpkin race. But do you know that is inflatable, the one that bounces. That's a pumpkin ball. And this one is real. The Pink Panther cheated. He's so angry. That looks very easy. Why doesn't the real pumpkin pop? And why is it like a ball now? And it needs to go back? Oh no, the Pink Panther's winning. Oh, he needs to get in. He needs to get in. Oh dear. The Pink Panther wins! Hooray! Right, the next one. Pink's Peak.
Forget about it. The world's last unconquered peak rises majestically above an unspoiled wilderness.
Oh dear.
Mountaineers have been trying to reach its summit for centuries, but scaling its icy face has proven to
really
be a challenge.
Tall. Oh dear.
But still, it beckons, touching the hearts of courageous spirits like yourselves, eager adventurers, and
He looks pretty tired. Hungry horse?
What do you say? Good. Let's get started.
Ooh. Is that time capsule? Okay. Here comes the flying horse.
With just a few basic necessities, you'll be ready to overcome any obstacle Mount Forget About It can throw at you.
That's
The lighter an explorer's load, the easier the climbing will be.
Yeah, but not for the horse.
It's a good
He's about
idea to have a
give up.
dedicated partner with whom you can trade off duties should the going get rough.
And then they pass all the load, and instead the horse is sitting on top, and the Pink Panther gets revenge.
You've reached base
Now
camp,
he wants
a place
to climb
to
up.
stop, take stock, and consider options for the journey ahead.
Ooh, these shoes might come in handy.
While it may be true that a climber is only as good as his equipment, sometimes you actually have to use your head for more than just a hat rack.
Don't do that!
This is the time when your climbing buddy can truly be your best friend.
And then the piece of stone comes crashing down on the horse. Ooh, oh my. That cracked the stone.
The most basic tool in a mountaineer's kit
They
is his
start with
coil
something
of rope.
else. Coil of rope.
Its
Are you
usefulness
sure you
in bringing
hooked
the climber
someone?
closer to his ultimate
Did you
goal
hook someone?
cannot be underestimated.
Or even a bear. Oh dear. Oh no. Ooh. The bear looks like he just had a bite. Next try.
The mountaineer's motto, never
Oh,
give up, has
a
a
penguin.
special
That
meaning to
looks cute.
some who seem never
Oh
to know
dear.
when to quit.
Oh no.
But try, and try again. No matter how impossible the odds seem, man and nature as one. What could be more inspiring or more ridiculous?
Wow, that's not good. Oh dear. Oh, the horse gets a musical instrument. Oh, they got
But
my
the tenacious
pickaxe.
climber will be rewarded when he comes face to face with sights that the less rugged can only imagine.
Oh dear, he didn't use the
You cannot
escalator.
buy this type of
Look
feeling,
how,
and why
look
would you want to?
how
Another
embarrassed he
crest.
is. Oh dear.
Another test. And an
some
unexpected guest.
But some animals are built for this, like
Nature has gifted
mountain.
its most
goats.
agile creatures with the tools to easily conquer what
Whoa.
would condemn others to certain doom. Only fools would attempt to follow in the footsteps of these remarkable
Oh
climbers.
dear. Oh, this
Without
is scary.
perfect balance, razor-sharp focus, and a finely tuned knowledge
And
to
then the
expect
horse
the
jumps on
unexpected,
the Pink
it's sometimes
Panther.
best to look for smarter, safer options.
Bye bye mountain. Bye bye Pink Panther. Bye horse. Have fun. Ooh, this is
Extreme
cold.
cold fronts can move in without warning, dropping to sub-zero temperatures at a moment's notice. But a breath of that biting mountain air can provide an experience that cannot be matched anywhere on the planet. What
And
causes
they
these
drop.
sudden shifts in climate and high elevation? Even the experts are baffled.
And they fall down.
Driving rain, raging blizzards. To attempt to understand it would be to attempt to unravel the very mystery of nature itself.
Oh dear.
Okay, where were we?
And
Sometimes
they get froze
It's
like
best
a
to leave the
snowman.
big questions to the bigger minds and simply take cover in
aren't
the
there
safe
bears
havens nature
there?
has provided.
Aren't there rabbits which are very fierce? Not funny.
At last, thanks to perseverance, patience,
Perseverance.
and a dash of dumb luck, you've made it. Well,
Sort
almost.
of. What's he gonna do? He's gonna break the mountain, and they have to fall down a long way. And they become a snowball. And they're getting whacking. Doody 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 dum.
Good work, adventurers! Your world will never be the same. Each day that passes will leave you longing for another perilous adventure, because
That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you very, very soon. Goodbye.